Alrighty, folks, we are back for episode number 6. Let's see, I'm just going to double check to make sure my sound is working. Nope, wrong button. Go back. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's better. I better take it off speaker. All right, that's working. Very good. So let's just double check the sound. Sound's not coming through. For the game, that is. Let me double check. Alright, I'll check that. Excuse me. I will check that again in a second. Oh, wrong one. Forgot to add. Sure. Ah, I missed the star. Alright, well, at least it's working. Alright, folks, so let's start again. Episode 6 we're up to. And basically, there's been a few changes. I've bought another position, so in my last episode you saw me sell, what was it, 4.5 units of gold, which I cashed in, where was it? Here. So $999.63. Now let's go back to my positions. So that boosted my margin a bit, and what I've done is, because the silver isn't near the profit, near the profit I would like it at before I buy another one, and because we've already got 2 gold positions, and obviously next buy I do for gold will be when this one here is in profit by 2,000. That's going to take a while. So basically I've bought 5 more units in gold. Now this is not a long-term one. This we're going to cash out at a certain point. So that's a keeper. That's where we're going to buy, sell, get our margin up so we can then buy more long positions on the silver and gold. My aim is to get another silver position in next before the gold. So we're looking at a 5-minute chart here. Obviously, let's go to my favorite chart, which is the 4-hour. As you can see, 4-hour one, there's a bit there's a big rise here, and it sort of fizzled off, which is fine. because I am confident it's going to continue further up, and I'm thinking at about where are we up to? 5,046 we're up to right now. At least 5,006, 5,000, I don't know, 5,070. I'm going to say 5,070 is where I expect the next, where I expect it to go. With silver cash 4 hour, yeah, it's sort of fizzled down, but that will pick up again. So I'm not worried there. Now let's look at the 5 minute. I like looking at the 5 minute, just, well, it's more for you guys so you're not staring at a screen that isn't doing anything. The 5 minute one is keeps us entertained. So as I said, I'm thinking, what did I say, 570, 5,070, just up here. I think that's where it's going to go. I'm hoping when the US market opens it doesn't tank, and well, it will sort of, actually it will go down a bit because I imagine the US traders will be taking quite a few profits, possibly, I don't know, we'll see, but then you'll jump back up. So 5,070 is what I'm looking at now. For silver, where are we at? Okay, so silver, next stop for silver, I think next stop for silver, 92. Possibly higher, but we'll see. See how it pans out. Now, as you can see, I've got no stop losses on those two. That's not the best idea, but as long as I'm sitting here watching it, we're good. So before I go to bed tonight, which is about in 3 hours, hopefully, I will probably put some stop losses in, only because it's, I think I'm going to go to sleep, and then 3 hours later, probably like 3 in the morning my time, which is about I don't know, 10, 11, 12, maybe 12 or 1 o'clock in the US, like PM, something like that, I don't know, but yeah, it's usually around about that time when shit just sort of just drops. It's like they sort of wait till then and then do a big sell-off, so it could drop down quite a bit. And on one side, on one hand, I don't want to put stop losses, because what'll happen is it'll trigger, sell it, and then it'll go back up, and I've lost that position, which is very frustrating. On the other hand, if I don't, and my margin can't cover it, it's going to drop. it's going to close out my positions, which would be even worse. Either way, it's shit. Once we've got a few trades in there, once we've built up at least 3 trades in each, So currently gold's got 3 trades, but that third one doesn't count. So I'm talking about long-term trades. Once we've got 3 long-term trades in on each one, that's when I can start putting stop losses in place. And oh, there we go. Sound's working for the fishing. What did I get? Oh, nice barracuda. 33 gold. Thank you, man. Not bad at all. Well, what was I saying? I can't remember now. But basic, shit. No. Oh, yeah. Once we've got a few positions in there, we're going to be in much better place, obviously. It's just we've got to hold out and make sure we don't get closed out, because that would suck. Let's have a look. Doesn't look like anyone's joined us yet. Hang on a second. Where's my mouse? Here it is. Do I have? I don't think I have anything else open, do I? No. No, I don't. Just gonna check my feed real quick. Barracuda. Is there someone watching on Twitch? Say hello if you're watching on Twitch or YouTube. Have a chat, ask me a question. I don't mind. Keeps me entertained. Keeps me awake. Come do some fishing with me. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna do something crazy here. Have I got enough? Hang on. I'm gonna be quick. I should have thought of this earlier. 17.99. Okay. Okay. If you're watching, I just took $100 loss, which I don't mind doing. So basically I took $100 loss there by selling the 5 units I bought earlier, and I bought straight back in at a lower price. Now, yes, I lost $100. Yes, it will slightly affect my margin. However, I am now in a better position than I was 2 seconds ago. $100 might not seem like a lot, but when the market's going up and down like this, and it's definitely worth having that extra $100. Hopefully save me. So I had that order. When did I buy that order? Let's have a look. So I lost $106.03. I bought that. I bought it at, what was it? Second one, wasn't it? So I bought it. No, that's what I sold it at. Balance. What did I buy it at? Hang on. I've got to work this out. When did I buy it? It was today, wasn't it? Buy, trade. I think it was around 2 o'clock. 5 units. So I bought it at 573.14. Sorry. So 5,073 I bought it, and now I sold it and bought back in at 559. So that's $20 less. That makes a difference. That does make a difference. So I'm glad I did that. Just going to double check. Inbox. I'm just wondering if before I go to sleep, and I talked about this in an early episode, I was thinking about topping it up. So currently, we started with 3,000, and we're trying to build up 3,000 to 100k in 2 months. Now, I was considering maybe throwing in another 1,000, only because I really don't want it closing out my position because I don't have enough margin. Because yes, it's going to go down, but it's going to come back out, and it's just so painful to just have this position just to close out and then go back out. Like it hurts. So the question is, should I put 1,000 in? Which the real question is, do I even have 1,000? Let's have a look. Possibly. I'm thinking maybe I won't leave it in there. Like I'll put in 1,000 just to bring the margin up. So if it does drop too much and tries to close it out, at least, it won't close it out. I save it, and then it goes back up, and then I pull the $1,000 out again, just to keep it consistent. I did say I'm going to do 3,000, turn $3,000 into $100,000. So I do want to keep, I think, keep it at that. 27 January. Okay, so looks like I can. Let me have a look. What the hell? What is that? Nope. Nope. Refresh. Okay. Here it is. That was so I played poker tournament last night, but didn't quite. Is this Wednesday? What's going on there? Oh, here it is. Damn. Yeah, luck wasn't with me last night, but no big deal. All right, back to getting distracted here. Let's turn this off. Back to this. So, I'm thinking what I might do is I'm going to keep it at 3,000. That's what we started with. That's what we're turning into 100,000. So I think I will, before I go to sleep, just put in another 1,000. Just overnight. And then in the morning, I'll pull it back out. I just want to make sure that I don't close out. Welcome, Joker. You're back. You're back to do some fishing. I don't know if we should call it fishing. It's more like you're one of those guys that goes diving into the lake and just pulling out all the junk. Alright, we've got 100 here. Yeah, so I was just saying earlier that if the US is going to wake up in 10 minutes, 15 minutes, less than 15 minutes. Oh boy. So I'm thinking it's going to drop a bit. They might take all their profits, then it's going to go back up. But having said that, I'm more worried about tonight when I go to sleep, because usually around 3 in the morning while I'm sleeping, it's like the US without fail decides to sell, and bring that amount down. So I'm thinking of putting just another $9,000 in there just to top up the margin, so it doesn't auto close my positions because of not having enough margin in there. And then in the morning I'll just take it back out, because I don't want to lose my positions that I have at the moment. Okay. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. I wonder if it's going to push down or not. Let's see what others are saying. dump. Yeah, I don't know. I reckon. Actually, nah. Gold is definitely going to jump up. Maybe to 6,000. And it might take a couple of months, or it might take a couple of weeks. You just don't know in this market at the moment. It is very unpredictable. Yeah. Actually, there's some sort of financial news coming out. Better check that. What was it? That was. Where is it? Where is it? I don't know. Oh yeah, NFP meeting. NFP meeting. I'm gonna have to Google that because I have no idea what that is. NFP meeting today. Non-farm payrolls forecasts. NFP data suspended amid US government shutdown. Huh? Hang on. $8:30. So I think the NFP meeting has already started. It's a major monthly economic report. Okay. Okay, so if the NFP comes at higher than expected, it's a sign of a strong job market. Oh no. Well, hopefully it is. Hopefully they fudge the numbers, because they usually do. They fudge those numbers to make it look like everything's okay. Okay, so if it's softer. Okay, well, that's not too bad. So if I'm reading this right, where was it? So if the job market in the US is strong, it's basically won't really do much to the gold. It'll just basically keep it stale. It'll just float along. But if it's weaker, that could push gold out even further, like push gold up to new highs. So guess which one I would prefer. I prefer the US to have a weak weak job. I'm just reading some more. Apparently, a lot of traders don't trade on the NFP day. Interesting. Okay, Perils January released on Friday, February. Oh no, it's not today. The report doesn't come out till Friday, February 6th. It can't be today. It's not Friday in the US, is it? Or is it my Friday? Eastern. No, it's their time, which is. Yeah, I think it's their time. It doesn't come out till Friday, not today. I thought it was today. Feb 7, yeah. For me, it's Feb 7, which is 5. Oh, that's a Saturday. Saturday, really? Saturday morning, 12:30 a.m. So, just after midnight. Jesus. Looks like looks like I'm staying up on Friday. Oh, I don't really want to. I gotta work early, 4 a.m. on Saturday. 2 days, 2 hours, 29 minutes. Yeah, there we go. Dollar holds optimus gains, euro stable ahead of ECB meeting. Okay, so the dollar, where is the dollar? Let's have a look at that. Let's have a look at the SPX 500. Okay. Okay. Okay, Australian US dollar currency. Oh no, that's the Aussie one. I don't want the Aussie one. Let's flip it. Ooh, spooky. Who was that? New follower, iShowSpeed Fan 555. Thank you for the follow. Let's see, where are you on YouTube? Awesome. All right. Just a quick reminder. I'm just basically I've started doing these videos to just showcase my trading. I'm trying to basically turn $3,000 into $100,000 in 2 months. Have done it before, twice before. So this is the third time I'm doing it, but this time I'm going to actually do some videos while doing it, just to show that it can be done. Now, don't forget though, this is whatever I say is not financial advice, so definitely do your own research. This is not any form of advice by any means. It's more for educational, not even educational, but just for me, really. I will just put that in there, something to read. If you want to do some fishing, you can also jump onto, I'm on Twitch as well. You should be able to find the link on my YouTube. And if you watch through Twitch and you want to do some fishing, all you got to do is type in fish. Ooh, nice. Great white shark. Love it. Okay, so looks like the US market has just opened up. So as expected, it's taking a bit of a dive. Hopefully not too much of a dive. But that's just the US taking their profits. That should hopefully jump back up. Pretty sure it will. Let's see. Please, 35. Yeah, I don't think it's going to drop by much, but we'll see what happens. Log in. Now every week I'm going to be basically updating. You'll see the top left hand corner. You'll see my cash and profit. Now that's obviously not live. So every Monday I'm going to update that, and so I'll have a this week and a last week up there, so you can see how much I'm gaining every week, and that'll give you I guess in a way the proof that I actually am making some money. But yes, I'm trying to do 3k to 100k, so that's going to be it's doable, definitely doable. As I said, I've done it a couple of times now, and hopefully I'll get it done another third time lucky, as they say. Just having a look. 390, I think it is 390. Just gotta check something. So I think because of the big time difference, I haven't decided yet, but I might just throw $1,000 in before I go to sleep, just to make sure there's enough margin there, because I don't want to get caught out and it sells my, or closes out my positions. That would not be fun. 306.21. There we go. I'm just going to move that across. And it's done. Perfect. And if I need to, I'll move that across. What are we up to? Okay, so it's doing a bit of a pullback. So US is woken up. Some people are selling. Some people, I think most people will probably hold. I don't know if there's going to be a sell-off or not. If there is, I suppose it wouldn't be till tomorrow, because Friday would be when what is it? The NFP? Was it NFP? Is that what it's called? Oh, cool! Look at my that's awesome. Look at my bottle. It's alive, Ryobi. That's so cool. It looks like I'm drinking. Jesus, what am I drinking? Nanobots. That looks awesome. Ooh, hello. Hello, Silver. What's going on there? The US is buying. Okay. Keep on buying. Possibly. I don't know. Got buying silver and then selling gold. What's going on here? No. Gold. Are you pushing up? What's it doing? How about recipients? Where am I putting this? Oh, yes, in there. Reference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, where is it? Window capture. I'm just going to turn my browser off for a second. Only because I need to do something on there, and obviously can't have you watching me. Okay, it was 5. Okay. Alright, I'm going to turn the charts back on in just 1 second. Just want to get this sorted. Make sure that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Da 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 da. Okay, and the charts are coming back online. There we go. Okay. What happened there? Try it again. $100. That's better. There we go. Perfect. I've just adjusted my margin, and then tomorrow I'll take that out again. Yeah, I had to put a bit in there just in case, because once I go to sleep, which will be in about 2 hours, 1 a.m. I'll be going to bed, and I just know at 3 a.m. US is just going to start selling again. Very frustrating. Don't want to get caught out this time. What is 34? Yep, that's good. What did I... Oh, yeah. You know, I could... should I? Oh. What if I... Let me have a look. 17,990. What if I... What if I take a hit and then buy in lower? I don't know. It's dropping a bit. See? Look at the US go. Trying to trigger all those stops. Come on, push it back. Push it back up, come on. You know you want to. Where's the 5,000? There it is. $5,000's there, 517's there. Let's open up. $3.90. Is that? Let's log back into here. Let's go double check my details. Five, seven. Yes, that's correct. Okay, there we go. Throw that in there. Good. Alright, let's have a look. Come on, push it back up. I know you want to push it back up. Stop driving the prices down, US. Sons of bitches. Except to go 85. How? Yes. Employment data worse than expected for the US. Yes. That's what I want to hear. Because now that gold's going to go up. That's what I wanted to hear. Alright. So from what I can see, it looks like the employment is weak in the US. Came out weaker than expected, so that should drive gold prices up. Thank God. Having said that, if everyone starts selling, it could still push down gold a little bit more, which at the moment is what it's doing. I'm hoping this is just a short pullback. I mean, silver seems alright. It's holding up. Gold, however, is trying to push down, but it's getting a lot of resistance by the looks of it. Oh man. I'm tempted. Where is it? Where's that position? I'm tempted to take another $100 loss and buy in lower. What do you think? No one's on to discourage me. Should I do it? Should I do it? Should I do it? I'll buy in even lower. Fuck it. Lost another, what was it, 120? What did I lose? $113.72. And that was what did I buy that at? So it was 5,059. What is it now? Oh, look at that. 5,043. That is a much better position. Much better. That's a keeper. Alright, I'm happy with that. No, I won't do that anymore. That's twice already. At least 250 I've basically given away. But that's going to pay off. Not only hopefully will that not close out because it's a bought back at a low amount, but it's going to make me that extra bit of money once it does start going up. Oh, all right. Oops. That's right. I was doing something. I got distracted. So I want US dollar and AUI. No, AUD. There it is. Pardon me. Nope, that's again not what I want. I want USD/AUD. There it is. Just look at this. Look at this. That is insane. Hang on. Go back to the 4 hour. Oh my god, look at that. US dollar, 168, and then when was that? April 2025. And then it just took a dive, and then just kept going up and down, and took another dive in January. Wow, $1.42. Is that right? Damn. I mean, good for the Australian dollar. Yeah, great for the Australian dollar. Get more out of your, more bang for your buck. If I was to buy something in the US. How are we doing here? Alright, so where are we at? It looks like gold is pumping up. Yeah, employment's shit at the moment, so that's going to go up, which is good for me. Okay, so okay, I've pushed it back a bit. That's okay. It's going to be 200, no, 150 out. That's good. Oh, this I'm sort of get uncomfortable on this chair. I've been sitting in this chair for about on and off for about what 2, 4, 6 hours in total, but on and off. Not very comfortable after a while. Pardon me. Alright, so 5016. People were saying it could drop down to 5016. I don't know. I don't think so. Where's 5106? There. I mean, look, maybe it ain't that far off. What if that goes up? Oh no. Now I'm worried. If that silver goes up, am I going to have enough to buy more? Question is, do I want to buy more? And lose my margin? I don't know. DXI, what's DXI? DXI or Y? Y, not I. No, Y, yeah. DXY? Oh, you're an idiot. Index dollar. Idiot. So, do they? Well, they kind of do, don't they? That's one day, though. Yeah, I guess kind of. Okay, let's go. What do we got? Still risk. Oh yeah, that's seems to be changing direction from what I can see. I mean, this is a 5-minute one, so it's no biggie. What was the last? Hang on. I want to mark. Where was there? So this is, I'll just mark this. There we go. So, well, where's my, hang on, do I have, oh I do. And that's the sell position. Oh, we'll never reach that. Okay. Alright, here we go. Top and bottom. So that top line there is my, well, is the highest gold has ever been. 5,089 by the looks of it. No, was it higher than that? Sorry, it was higher than that. Sorry. So that's, okay, so that's the new, okay, since it's been climbing, climbing up again, that is the highest it's ever reached. So what was that? 5,089. Here is the 5,000 mark, which I don't think it's gonna fall through that again. I mean, shit, if it does, oh god, that would suck. But I don't think it will. If you're watching this at any point in time, just remember this is not financial advice. This is me just tracking my journey in trading gold and silver. That is it. You need to do your own homework. Make sure you don't blindly do what others do. Always do your own homework. Alright, where is... running. Where is, there it is. Let's open that up. Oh man, today, when did I start streaming? Last night or today? I think last night. It's almost, so hang on, that's 6, it's probably 10 hours of streaming in the last 2 days. Wow, that's insane. I haven't streamed that much in a month, let alone 2 days. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? I know what's wrong with me. Nothing, because I want to make 100k. Simple. You're not going to do that by not sitting here. Wave. Alright, where did that come from? Must be here, right? Nope. Okay, I'm confused. Why is it coming through? 'Eh? 'Cause Why is that sound coming through? Oh, that's why. Well, that just comes through my speakers. That shouldn't be happening. Why is that coming through my speakers? Okay, it's gone. Jesus. Nope, it's not gone at all. Why? I don't understand. Why is that coming through my speakers? I've got my headphones on. What? What is this trickery? I don't understand. Oops. Oh, did I accidentally do something here or what? Where did I just press? Seriously, why is that coming through my speakers? Okay, that was weird. Alright, how are we looking? We're looking good here. No. So double bottom 2. It must be a sell. Oh, let me see. Spy. Just watching other traders freaking out. Yes, 9060. Going to touch 46. What are you talking about? 46. Oh, 46 backwards, right. 46, maybe. 46. Joker's back. And who we got there? Sorrow, full. It's too small for me to read. Anyway, if you're watching again, welcome back. As you can see, things are moving along. Now, well, moving along slowly. I did reposition myself with one of the trades, just just to basically put myself in a better spot. From what I can see, it will go back up. How far exactly? I don't know. I reckon definitely 5,060. I reckon it's going to push up to that. Hopefully. No, 60, 50 premium. Yeah, someone else is thinking the same, about 960. Don't forget, if you are watching on Twitch, don't forget to do a bit of fishing. Can you hear that sound? Yeah, I'm confused. Yeah, why is it not making a sound? Refresh. Okay, what is going on? What is going on? Seriously. Where is my sound? What the hell? Oh, now I can hear myself. God, I hope the stream had sound on it. I'm sure someone would have told me. Oh, stupid. Okay, that's working properly now. Well, pretty sure it was working properly the whole time. Alright, so there we go. So just a bit of pushback again. Back and forth, back and forth. Is it staying higher? Yes, it is. Yes, that's what I want to see. That is what I want to see. As long as it can keep pushing that up, I will be a happy man. What for? A lot of people complaining. Gold, gold is can't seem to decide what it's doing. Oh dear. Alright, another half hour, and then I'm gonna have to sign off and go to sleep. I do have a couple of jobs tomorrow. Oh, hopefully, let's have a look. Just make sure they're still in there. 1, 2, yep. How's Friday looking? 1, 2, 3. Tablet setup, TV setup, and another TV setup. Oh, that's an assist. Okay, that's good. That is good. Great. Persian Beach. Mobile setup and a TV setup tomorrow. Nice and easy. I can do them in the afternoon. Definitely do those in the afternoon. Alright, come on. Come on, gold. You know you want to go up. Come on, push it up. That's it. Push the sucker up. Oh, look at that silver. I like it. Okay. Oh dear. No, thank you. Why is it saying more than 4? I think 5 or 6. Where is it? 5, 6. It's bluffing. That's already done. No, it's definitely 6. Weird. Oh, now it's gone. Oh, close that. Alright, how are we doing? Oh, hello. Look at silver go. That's it, silver. Keep going. What did I say I needed silver to go to? Oh, silver. Hang on. It's about 120. So I think I said 95. I think I said I needed to go to 95. That's still a fair way away. Did I say 95 or 90? No, it's already on 90. Okay, no, it's 95, yeah. Alright. See what happens. Push, baby, push. That's not good. Eight, 9, 14, 10, 8, 9, 14, 10. Oh, definitely that one. Yikes. Ooh, hang on. 16, 20, 15. 16, 20, 15. So this guy's hitting back 10 food. This one's 60. Yeah, this one. Beautiful. Let's get him out there. Alright, how are we looking? How are we looking? How are we looking? Yeah. It's pumping it up. Oh shit. What the hell is that? 41? What? Take him out, boys. This is terrible. Alright. Seems to be going up. Oh, this chair is so uncomfortable. Ah, so uncomfortable. So, what's this going about? What? Seems to be pushing it out. Come on, get out of the red. We did buy that one a bit high. And that is the one we're selling. Alright, what are we looking at here? Come on. Alright, so now it's nearly nearly 560, 5060. Silver is going up a bit as well. That's good. That's very good. Okay. Dropping back down, and hopefully pushing it back up. Come on, come on. That's one, that's two. Alright, third time lucky, push it up. Might drop a little bit more here. And then hopefully that third time lucky, it'll push it out. Let's see, 480? No, I don't know. You know what? I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna say 480. It's gonna go up to 480. What am I saying 480 for? 580. As in, sorry, 5,080 is what I think it's going to go up to. Surely. It's going to do another push, I think. Come on, silver. I need you to go up more. Where are we at? 50. You know what? I have an idea. 53. So pushing it down a bit more. Oh, push it down a bit more. Go to 50. Push. It's 10 difference. I'm thinking I rebuy this one. Take a small hit of 100 and buy back in because I don't know. I think it's going to go up to 5,080 is what I think it's going to go up to. May do the opposite, but I don't know. Or we just hang on to it. What do you think? 460. I mean 561. 52. 5. By target can take a while. Bears one. Indicators. Should I take? I don't know why my headphones keep turning off. No, probably because it's not hearing any sound. Alright, here's the third breakout. Here we go. Now if this, I mean, it's still on and up. Let's see what happens here if it pushes it right up. There goes silver again. Come on. What are you doing, America? Push that gold up. Alright, another 15 minutes, folks, and I'm gonna, or another 10 minutes. I'm going to stop my stream again. Alright, I'm going to decide, well, we're going to keep that one. We're going to ride that one. What am I pressing? Stop pressing. I hate it when I accidentally press something on the keyboard. I freak out. I don't want to accidentally close something. Alright, come on. Push back. Don't let it drop. Keep it going. You can do it. There's the down. So 1, 2. Ah, it's only 2. I thought it was the third. So 2. Twice it pushed it back down. Looks like people taking some profit. And it's going to push back up. Yeah, I didn't see it dropping to 5,000. It's too low. Where is it? Where is the 5,000? There. That line there is 5,000. I didn't see it dropping that much. No way. It's like $100. Nah. Almost $91 per unit. $43.64. Yeah, it's pushing it back up again. It's like accordion. Bloody accordion. Up and down, up and down. Go on, Joker, do some fishing. I know you want to. 5, less than 10 minutes, and I'm going to sign off. I'm going to stop the stream in less than 10 minutes. I always stop my stream at 2 hours. I don't like going over 2 hours. 2 hours is a good time. Decent amount of time. I will be back in the morning. I will log back in, streaming again in the morning. Hopefully around 8 a.m. So what's that? 6 in 7, 8 hours. It's midnight now. Yeah, where I am, it's midnight. Just a little after. Or should I look? I'll definitely, I'll be back in the morning. I'm just wondering if I should set an alarm for like 3 in the morning, just to wake up and check the stocks. Because that's usually where I get caught out. It's either usually now, just before I go to bed, all of a sudden shit just takes a dive, or 3:30 in the morning when I'm asleep. Very frustrating. Not happy, Jan. Not happy. Really don't want that to happen tonight. I've got 1,300 margin left, which is good. I can take a bit of a hit. I reckon 3, if I've got that much. I don't know. I think maybe if the margin drops to minus 5,000, we'll start closing can't talk. Positions. You know what I mean. Time for bed. Alright, a few more minutes and then I'm gonna finish up streaming. Maybe stare at this for a little bit longer before I go to bed. I don't know. I just don't know what's happening right now. It's just going up sideways, really. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Not really very decisive in what direction it's going to go. Silver's going up, that much I can see. That's good. It's going up and down as well, but mainly up. It's the gold that can't decide what it's trying to do. Jeez. Terrible. Come on, gold. Can't wait till Monday, actually. I'm keen to see what difference, like how much profit how much cash and profit I've got on Monday. Depending how next few days go. Open 9, 14, take out 1. Yeah. See if we can make a couple of thousand, eh? We're only playing for small money at the moment, so there's not much I can do with that. But as we build up, which is what I'm trying to do now, as we build up those positions, oh my god, not English. As we build up those positions, we'll get more capital, we'll get more margin, buy more units, and then start selling units. Probably not till the end of the month. See if I can push those up to like at least 20 grand each or something like that. Just depends. Depends on Friday too, what's going to happen Friday. Whether they're going to push out a bullshit report and say, "Ooh, jobs in America, great." Because they love fudging numbers over there. I've seen them. Seen those reports, and then down the check they're like, "Oh, well actually, it's more like this percentage." Dodgy. They're trying to keep their market afloat. Trying to keep their dollar. Yeah, that dollar's dying on its ass. I mean, look at that. Where is it? Oh no, that's not it. No, yeah, no, that's the US index. Oh, I closed it. Oh, never mind. So, what's happening here? It's a US dollar index. We kind of want that to go up, don't we? Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, that's when, there we go. No, hang on. Holy shit. See, the US index, basically from the 19th of January, just absolutely tanked. And then what they did was, come 30th, Friday 30th of January, manipulated the market to push it back up. You fucking, pardon my language, bastards. You killed me, 100k. That's right, I'll get it back. I always do. Can't keep me down. Alright, let's see what's going on here. God, keeps hitting that bottom, pushing back up. Well, silver's still going strong. Gold, it doesn't know what it's doing. It's just going up, down, up, down. Come on, gold, wake up. Go up. God, if it drops, I don't want it to drop. $41, $42. Jesus, what are you guys doing over there in the US? Playing ping pong. Alright. I'm still confident we're gonna go upward trend. In all my research, like the way I trade, I don't do the whole scalping or whatever it's called. Ugh. A few dollars here, a few dollars there. It's not my style. I prefer the long runs. 1, 2. So this is where I start to worry, because it's really slowed down now, and then all of a sudden everyone starts selling and it just drops, which I can't let that happen again. I've got 84 in the silver. 84 in the silver, is that going to be okay? Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Okay, I don't have to worry about the silver. Because if it drops past 80, what did I buy it at? 84. Yeah, I'm safe. If it crashes, it's not going to sell. So I'm safe there. But gold's the one I've got to worry about, because I've got 2 high positions at the moment. Let's have a look at the 4-hour. It has dropped a little. We want stop turning off. Five. And 4. That's the ones we want. 5. 15. 4. I'll look at silver. 4-hour. Yeah, that's still looking pretty good. It's slowed down, but okay. 15 minutes. I think we're still good there, even if it dropped a little. Yeah, I think we're good on that one. Alright, what about this one? 15 minutes. What do you got? Look at that, that's a 15-minute. Sort of. When did the US open? Here. Okay. So it is staying up though. Like, it's not down, but it's doesn't have much momentum. It's just a bit saggy. What do we do here? I don't know. Let's have a little play, shall we? Actually, let's not. Let's close that. I don't like this scalping shit. That's going to go up now. That's going to go green up 100%. Come on. You know you want to. Fourth. Pips is $1, 100 points. Yep. There's a lot of selling going on at the moment. Come on, push it back up. Don't keep dropping. We need to stay above that. Come on, stop selling. Stop selling your bloody... Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Just gonna turn off my window for a second. Just wanna check something. 3,000. Okay. Alright, okay. Alright, I've got... Should be alright. Even if it drops, I should be okay. I think my margin will hold. Come on, bounce off that line. Bounce off it. You know you want to. Oh shit, there it is. There it is. That's what I was worried about. That right there. shit, it broke through. God, I hate the US. They're always fucking shit up. Oh, always fucking shit up. Hey, Bella Chloe. I'm good, thanks. I am good. How are you? Alright. Alright, I need that to push back. How are we looking? So, I'm currently watching... Oh, oops. What happened there? What? Yeah, why can't... okay, don't know what happened there. See if that pushes down further. So basically, so what I'm trying to do here is turn 3,000 into 100,000 K. I know it sounds crazy, but I've done it before, so we'll see what happens. See if I'm third time lucky. Alright, you know what? No, I'm not going to play around with this. I'm just going to keep that out of there and just keep those positions and see what happens. Yeah, so trying to turn 3K into 100K in 2 months. Just remember, I don't give financial advice. This is just documenting my process and my journey. I think the first time I turned 10,000 to 100,000, and then the second time I did 5,000 to 100,000. This time around I am doing 3,000 to 100,000. So we'll see how I go with that. Hopefully I can repeat it for a third time and make some good money. So where are you from, Bella? Are you in the, I'm guessing, we're in the US time zone now, so I'm guessing you're in the US? Oops. Wrong button. Jeez, why does it look so big? Alright, so it looks like we are, where are we? Shit, okay, 409. Oh shit, did it just, oh I did too, son of a bitch. It's gone down to 5. Alright, we're still good, We've got plenty of margin. Same old shit Every single time. The US just kills everything. I mean, it's triggering all the sell stop. Oh, fucking hell. Stop losses. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Really? Really? Wow. That's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Even silver. Look at silver go. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh, I hate the US market. Absolutely hate it. You're killing me. Don't forget to subscribe and follow my I've gone blank. My channel. Come on, push that thing back right now. Don't you dare keep dropping. Why is it pushing? What? See, this is what I'm talking about. What is it, 1240? See, I knew it. I knew it. You guys are just selling off your gold. You fuckers. Absolute sons of bitches. Look at that. For you absolutely got to be shitting me. 4966, really? It's gonna go down to that. It's giving me a headache. Alright, let's change it to 15 minutes because, wow. You better not push that down. Oh my god. Look at that. Come on. Don't you dare push it down to that level. Come on, push it back up. Come on. Come on, push it up. It's silver. God damn it. Why are you guys selling? That's a big pullback. Dumbasses. Oh, smart. Maybe I'm the dumbass not doing the same. Oh shit, it's time. Alright, I'm going to stop streaming now. I'm still going to keep watching the market though. Don't forget, I'm not giving any financial advice here. I'm just documenting my trading experience. I'll see you all in the morning, and thanks for watching.